Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to disable talkback feature on your Android device. So this feature was accidentally enabled in my device. After enabling, I don't know how to use this feature, how to access any option. Now I want to disable this option in my device. To disable this option guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. Guys, if you want to access any of option on your device, you want to use two finger like this. So first you want to open your phone settings, just use two finger, and same thing, find out your phone settings and tap on the phone settings with two finger like this. After this guys, scroll down and find out accessibility option in your phone settings. To scroll, you want to use two fingers like this. After this, find out accessibility option, just tap on it like this, and here you want to find out the talkback option on accessibility, just find out and open that option like this guys. After opening, now here guys, if you want to select next option, another option, you want to swipe your screen with two finger right and left like this. After you want to select the on option like this. After this guys, just tap on option and you want to disable this option. That's it. So now as you can see guys, now your device back to normal. So this is the easy and very simple method to disable talkback on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.